Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam disk write error. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step is to close Steam completely. To do this, go to search menu and type Task Manager. Click on open it. Under the background processes, you just need to search for Steam. Right click on the Steam and select go to details. Right click on the Steam and select end processes tree and select end processes tree. And after doing this, close it off here. The second step is to verify integrity of game files. To do this, open up Steam. Right click on the game you are having problem with and select properties and select install files and select verify integrity of game files. After finishing this, close it off here and let's move on to the third step guys. The third step is to clear Steam download cache. To do this, you just need to click on the Steam tab on the top and select settings. On left side, you just need to select downloads. In download region, you just need to make sure that your download region is set to closest place where you live. Click on the drop down and select it. After that, you just need to scroll down and select clear download cache. Select clear cache. Select confirm. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Steam guys. Before uninstalling the Steam, you just need to take the backup of your Steam games. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.